welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different, as you can tell. Well, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm going to be doing my hair for today's video. I'm going to be trying out like a natural hairstyle since we're in quarantine and I can't get my hair done. And I don't want to get my hair done because my birthday's at the end of the month, so I don't want to put back in braids and then by the end of the month my hair be looking crazy because my hair grows fast. So I have the deep conditioner in and I washed it last night. I'm going to show you some of the products I use to wash my hair first, because it had so much buildup because I had my braids in for like 2 months, to get all that buildup by the start of the braid. So to get rid of that buildup from the braids, I use this shampoo, and this is the Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo for dryness and itch relief. And I don't really have dandruff, but I do have dry and itchy scalp, so this really helps get rid of that. And then when I put my hair back in braids, like for underwigs or whatever, it doesn't make my head itch, because my head be itching like crazy. Like as soon as I get my hair done, my hair be itching. So I use this first to get that build up. Then I use the Lucetta Coconut Milk Shampoo and Conditioner. I have a video on me using this that I'll link down below so you can check it out. But I use these and they're very hydrating and I absolutely love these. So since I had a lot of buildup because I hadn't washed my hair in a long time, I had my braids in for like 2 months, I didn't want to go in with like a moisturizing conditioner. I wanted to go in with a protein treatment. So the one I use is this one, and this is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Protein Power Treatment with Marufa and baobab oils. I'm not sure, but this is for extremely dry and brittle hair, and it's to strengthen and protect. And this gives me hydration, and also your hair needs protein every so often, so I use this. And then I put it in twist, and then to seal the ends of my hair, just to give the ends of my hair more hydration, I use the Lucetta Coconut Milk Hair Mask, and my hair is wrapped up, and I'll just show you how I did it. It's just in a scarf. I put it in a plastic bag last night, but I had to run out to the store, so I put like 2 scarves on. But I'll show you how it's looking. And this is how my hair looks. It's looking crazy, and the shrinkage is real. And it's still a little damp. I'm about to go wash it off. And I bought 2 styling products. So today I'm going to do like a twist out kind of, because I don't use heat on my hair. Since my last video, I haven't used heat on my hair. I get that blow dry look by stretching my hair, and I'll show you in this video how I stretch my hair and use the products and see how it turns out. But I was looking on Target because that's like the fastest way I can get stuff, because I go pick it up at the drive up. So I got this leave-in conditioner because I actually ran out of leave-in conditioner. So this is the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Coconut Butter Leave-In or Rinse Out Conditioner with Flaxseed Oil. This is for curly, coily, shrinkage-prone hair, and this is sulfate and color safe, and this is what it looks like. And this is for people who have shrinkage, which I have, especially if you're trying to do like a natural curly girl hairstyle. You want your hair to be as long as possible. So it says shrinkage is normal for healthy, froze, and curly coily hair. When you want to show off your length, use this coconut oil free conditioner that helps stretch and condition shrinkage prone hair. Moisturizing cocoa butter infused with red palm oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, is blended with flaxseed oil to create this anti-shrinkage formula to help maximize the appearance of hair's length. Leaves hair soft and manageable and great for 3 to 4C type hair, and I have 4C type hair. So that's the leave-in that I'm going to use. And then I wanted to use like a styler, because I've seen people use styler. Like shout out to Glam Twins. Like I've been watching them since like day 1, and I've been looking to see what they use. So I got this, and this was available at Target. I was so surprised, and it was affordable. This was affordable too. It was like $10 for 13 fluid ounces, so it's very affordable. And then also I got this, which I know probably a lot of you have seen, and this is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. And it's sulfate-free, paraben-free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. And this is enriched with flax seeds and wheat protein. And it's crazy because I just realized that both of these have flaxseed in them. So this one says, give dry, shriveled up curls and twists a nice stretch with Aunt Jackie's special blend of moisturizing conditioners, flax seeds, and wheat protein. With nourishing omega fatty acids, flax seeds have been widely used as a natural remedy for hair growth, anti-thinning, and overall scalp health. With regular use, hair is left soft without a crunchy, tacky feeling. So I kind of want to use these to like define my curls, even if I have curls, because I never really do like natural hairstyles. Because we're gonna see how it goes, because my hair is probably like up to here, like a little bit above my bra strap. So we're gonna see. So I'm gonna go rinse this out and come back and attempt to use these products and hopefully get good footage to show you guys. So I know I'm rambling, so if you want to see if this natural hairstyle turns out good, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So I just rinsed out the deep conditioner out of my hair and just put it in the towel, and I'm just going to show you what my hair looked like. I should have showed you what my hair looked like after I took it out the deep conditioner. It was looking super cute, and I have a lot of hair. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna go through it real quick. So I'm gonna continue to detangle my hair and be right back. So I'm back. I did the other side of my head. I did 5 braids on this side and 6 on this side. I'm not sure, maybe this side has more hair, but this is what it looks like with all the products. Let me turn around and show you. So I didn't part the hair perfectly because I'm gonna, you know, untwist them when they dry. I'm gonna leave it overnight and then come back and show you guys what the finished look is. So I did the lock method, which I thought maybe be best. I wanted to try it. So I used more products than I showed you in the beginning. So the leave-in is the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner, which is the L for the LOC, which is the lock method. So this is the leave-in conditioner. And the oil, I use Lucita coconut hair serum oil. And this follows the shampoo and the hair mask and all that. So I use this oil. And I use like a good amount of this, because my hair needs a lot of moisture, and I use like 3 pumps of this because it doesn't squirt out that much oil, so I wanted like a quarter size amount. And when my hair got dry and also I need more moisture, I used this spray bottle. I got this from Sally's Beauty. It just has water in here, so I used that. So then for the L, no, not the L. So then for the C is for cream, and I was like, do I have a cream? But I looked in my stash and I have this Moroccan Curling Perfection Defining Cream, and I usually use this for my wigs and my extensions for my curly hair, and I absolutely love it. So I was like, I might as well use it. And this is from OGX. And then I wanted to put in a styling product at the end to define my curls when I take out the braids, and I just used the Aunt Jackie's curling gel, and then I braided it up. And then this is also the stretching method, which shouts out to the Chic Natural here on YouTube. I love her natural hair videos. She usually does this. She parts her hair and then uses the elastic to stretch out the roots and braids it out to stretch it. And as you can see, like, the length is like my natural hair length, so I'm super excited to see what this looks like. So my first impressions on the products is the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Coconut Butter leave-in. It smells good, it's hydrating, it feels good in my hair, and there was a lot of mixed reviews on Target when I tried to purchase it, but I decided to give it a try because what works for me might not work for you, or what works for you guys may not work for me, so I want to try it. But so far so good. And the Aunt Jackie's curling gel with flaxseed, this absolutely felt good. It wasn't too sticky like most gels, it was hydrating at the same time, and I felt like it elongated my hair. Like, both of these products together elongated my hair. As you can see, it's holding its length so far. And then the curling, and then the defining gel actually felt nice in my hair. It gave me that extra hydration, so I absolutely love this because on my wigs and stuff, it makes the curls pop and it's beautiful. And the oil, I absolutely love the oil. You need oil in your hair, and a little goes a long way. And so far I'm liking how it's looking, so hopefully it turns out well. So I'm gonna leave this overnight and come back to you sometime tomorrow and show you how the outcome is. So I'll see you tomorrow. So hey guys, it's the next day and this is how my hair is looking. I actually worked out earlier, took a shower, then let it dry some more since I got wet from the workout. It kind of shrank a little bit. I mean, the back is pretty long, it's just a little bit curled up, but I want to take it out and see how it looks. And I got my mirror right here, so I'm gonna take it out, but I'm gonna put some oil in my hands because I heard that gets rid of the frizz. So I don't have an oil that really reduces frizz, but I'm just gonna use this one, the Aussie Total Miracle Restoring Oil with apricot and Australian macadamia oil. And I love Aussie products in general. Like, they're super moisturizing, especially for people with 4C hair especially. So I'm gonna squirt some of this, and a lot comes out on my fingertips. And if they made a lotion or body oil, it would be so good. But it's super thick, but it doesn't weigh your hair down. So I'm gonna take these out and see what we working with. And the hair's a little bit damp because I took a shower and stuff, but I want to see how this looks. And be careful when you take out the elastic. Don't just, you know, pull it out your head. So this is how it looks when I just take it out. It looks kind of crazy. My hair is damp. There was some flaking that might be from the gel. I don't know. How do you guys like it? My head is itchy as always. Let me know down in the comments if you like the way this looks. I'll show you the back. My hair does feel moisturized and all that, but I don't know how I feel about this look. Let me separate the braids a little bit. And if you wonder where I got this shirt, I got this from a place on Instagram called wewearmask.co. I'll leave the name right here. They sell the black face masks, and I got this shirt. So it's super, super cute. Make sure you go check them out. The video is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. But this is what it's looking like. Just gonna pick it out a little bit just to give it some dimension. I don't know if I would really wear it like this. It's kind of like a fro. Let me see if I part it. It's kind of like an afro. I don't know if I would wear it like this. Let me see if I part it differently. Would it make a difference? I don't know how to feel. I don't actually like this look. It didn't give me that curly effect. It gives me that fro effect. So I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Make sure you hit that like button because this is a trial and error process. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on my social medias. And I'll see you in my next video, guys.